English version, Mathematics Class 5, Chapter 3, Number 7. Find the LCM. Number 1, 9 and 15. 9 and 15. 9 and 15. If you find the multiple of 9 and 15, 9 and 15 equal to 45. We can check this another way. This is 45, LCM 45. Number 2, 24 and 27. 24 and 27 LCM equal to, we can divide it by 3, 8 and 9. Then LCM equal to 3 into 8 into 9 equal to 220, 216. And number 3 equal to 7 and 15. 7 and 15, no common factor in the 7 and 15, so we can multiply them. 7 and 15 multiply equal to 105. Number 4, multiply 6, 9, 12. Then 6, 9, 12 equal to LCM equal to 3, 2, 3, 2. 3, 2, 3, 2. If we multiply them equal to 36. Number 5 equal to 8, 12, 16. 8, 12, 16 multiply 16. If we check another then we can see 4, 2, 3, 2 equal to 48. Number 6 equal to 7, 10, 12 and 14. 7 is a LCM equal to 420. 420, how we can, this is the another way to decided them, equal to answer LCM equal to 420. Number 7 is another 6, 8, 12, 16. And 6, 8, 12 is a multiples of 16. 16, 32 and 48. This is the common factor of 48. We can check another way. So LCM equal to 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 equal to 48. Number 8, 9, 12, 15 and 18. 9, 12, 14, 80. LCM equal to 180. How is 180? We can check another way. Now LCM equal to 3 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 5. Then answer equal to 180. Thank you.